I have a bridging, Roots Bridging, at the market. I asked him to tell me a little about what I'm doing. And what I have there. What you have there, my brother?
Me have linseed, Irish mash and come around with an icing glass of honey. You can't be cock and tongue down and you can't come out of the buckle at all. Give me up your nerves and your joints and your back.
What else you have?
Me have linseed and Irish mash and come around with an icing glass and when I sweeten up with milk. Your nerves, your joints, and put zinc in your body. We have chain root, strong back, saucy perla, Medina weed, young banana, coconut root, duppy gun and cocky whisk and nerve whisk.
Alright.
Any light post I give me, everybody see current and reach the property. Any what this boy they are yard, any liar, anybody I get ignition when they start, then check up it long.
Chop. Oh, well. Anything else?
Anybody pitching in favor them? Contact number 88308811.
Alright. Respect the boss. More power. Yeah, all the best, man. Original Roots man for the market.